Hi, it's Alex here for Hello Flying and another cabin crew English quiz just for you. Of course, the interview process for being cabin crew is 100% in English, so it's important that we know these functions in English. Let's go through them together first. We have account for, be, operate, make, look after, the doors, the money, the announcements, on call, and passengers' comfort. Can you match the words in blue with the words in black? Please pause the video right now and try this little quiz. Let's see how you do. Okay, we will check in 1 minute. Please pause the video now. I'll wait. Oh, are you finished already? Okay, let's check. First, account for the money. Account for the money. The duty-free sales. You have to account for the money. Number 2, be on call. You need to be ready to go to work. Number 3, operate the doors. Operate the doors. Number 4, make the announcements. Make the announcements. And finally, look after passengers' comfort. How did you do in this little quiz? Did you get 5 correct? If you did, great job. My name is Alex for Hello Flying. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.